Our breakfast for today is putumaya and egg, dried fish, garlic rice, and corned beef, and crabs, cassava, longaniza, and tocino, and green mango. Yum, yum, yum. Hey, Fluffy. How are you? Sarap ng aming ulam for today. Yeah. So yummy, yummy. Yum, yum.